Mobile phones. 1. What was your first mobile phone? I started to use a mobile phone about 10 years ago, and it was also a smartphone, but it wasn't as good as my current smartphone, and I still keep that phone because it has important photos in it. 2. Do you often use your mobile phone for texting or calls? Yes, I do. Nowadays, a majority of people communicate with other people with their phone, so I also use my phone to send text messages or make a phone call to my family or friends. It is very useful to me. 3. Will you buy a new one in the future? Yes, I will. I've used my mobile phone for 2 years, but maybe in 2 years, my mobile phone will be unusable. So, I will need to have the newest mobile phone. However, I don't think people need to buy a new mobile phone often. 4. How has your mobile phone changed your life? My mobile phone has changed my life a lot. For example, when I want to have food, instead of making a phone call to a restaurant, I can order food on my mobile phone. So, I feel using my mobile phone is convenient. Describe something that was broken in your home and then repaired. 1. What it is. 2. How it was broken. 3. How you got it repaired. How you felt about it. I'm fascinated to talk about an item which was broken, but I got repaired. In my daily life, my schedule is so hectic that I can't spend enough time for me time. However, a few months ago, I got a holiday, so I went shopping to buy a small stationary exercise bike, so every day, I did exercise at home. However, while moving it to another room, I dropped it down, and it was broken. So, I called the repairman to fix it, but it took about 3 days. At that time, I felt bad about it for a couple of reasons. Firstly, I love to do exercise, but due to the pandemic, I can't go to a gym, so I enjoy working out at home. However, as my stationary bike was broken, I couldn't do exercise for 3 days, so not doing exercise, I was in bad condition. Moreover, as I called the repairman, I needed to pay for it, and it was about $90. I thought I wasted my money because I spent it unnecessarily. Without my mistake, I wouldn't have spent money to have my stationary bike fixed. Part 3. 1. Are IT-related jobs valued more by society? Yes, they. This era is called IT-oriented society, which means IT technology such as a computer and the internet plays a significant role in modern society. As IT technicians do important jobs in society, jobs associated with IT technology are usually well-paid jobs, and many young people want to engage in IT-related jobs. 2. Is the quality of products worse than before? No, it isn't. In the past, technology to produce products was primitive, so it wasn't easy to produce high-quality products. However, as technology has advanced, high-quality products can be manufactured, and even products which couldn't be made in the past can be produced thanks to the development of technology. 3. What kinds of things do people like to repair by themselves? In fact, it might be impossible for people to repair items such as electronic devices and cars, because repairing those products requires professional knowledge and experience. So, people like to fix simple items such as their chair or desk, or clothing, because those items are relatively cheaper and easier for them to fix than sophisticated items. 4. Why do people like to get their mobile phones repaired in specialized stores? Mobile phones are electronic devices which have very complicated systems inside. So, to repair them, people should have expertise related to electronic engineering. So, if people take their mobile phones to specialized stores, there are repairmen with much experience and expert knowledge in mobile phones, and they can fix mobile phones well.